This simple guide will show you how to change the sender name in Klaviyo. Klaviyo is a powerful email marketing platform, and sometimes you might want to update your sender name to reflect a new brand direction or personalize your campaigns better. Today, I'll walk you through this quick process to ensure your emails are sent with the perfect sender name. First, we need to head over to Klaviyo. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your account name. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu with several options, but what we're interested in right now is the Settings section. So go ahead and select that. Once inside the settings, you should see several tabs that allow you to customize different aspects of your Klaviyo account. What we want to focus on is the general settings, which fall under the account category. This section is where you can adjust many foundational elements of your Klaviyo account, including your default sender name. Now, when you look at your general account settings, you'll notice a field labeled Default Sender Name. This is the name currently associated with your outgoing emails. Changing this is quite straightforward. Simply click into the field and enter the new sender name you want to use. It could be your name, your company's name, or any other name that you feel would best represent your brand in your email communications. Once you've entered your new sender name, it's crucial to save the changes. Look for the Save button on the page, which is usually located towards the bottom. Click it to ensure that your changes are updated and applied to your account. This step is often overlooked, but it's essential. If you navigate away from the page without saving, your new sender name won't be updated, and you'll have to repeat the process. Now, with your new sender name saved, all your outgoing emails will reflect this change. This is a great way to keep your brand consistent and recognizable to your subscribers. Remember, the sender name is one of the first things your recipients see when they receive your email, so make sure it aligns with your brand identity and suits your communication style. And that's it! You've successfully updated your sender name in Klaviyo. This quick adjustment can make a big difference in how your emails are perceived and can even impact your open rates positively. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials on optimizing your digital marketing tools.